If you're ready to start selling online with WordPress and WooCommerce, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process of adding a new product to your WooCommerce store. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your products shine, ready for customers to find, explore, and buy. Alright, let's get straight into it. First things first, we need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your website's control center where all the magic happens. Enter your credentials and you'll see the familiar WordPress sidebar on the left. Take a moment to find the Products tab, go ahead and hover over it and then click Add New. This takes you to the product editor, which is where most of your product information gets filled in. Now let's talk about the core details of your product. At the top, you'll see a field for the product name. This really matters. Try to use the full name of your product so it's clear to both shoppers and search engines. Imagine you're adding a stainless steel water bottle 500 ml. Avoid just water bottle if you can be more descriptive. Just below you'll find the main description box. Don't be afraid to go into detail here. Describe the features, the benefits, maybe even a use case or two. Think of this as your elevator pitch, but you get more than just a few seconds. You want to paint a picture and answer potential questions in advance. If you scroll down a bit, you'll notice the product data box. This is where WooCommerce truly comes to life. First, select your product type. If your product is a single, straightforward item, stick with simple product. But if you've got, say, color or size variations, variable product is the way to go. In the General tab, pop in your regular price. If you're running a promo, you can also add a sale price and schedule when that sale shows up, perfect for flash sales or holiday promos. Jump over to the Inventory tab. Here you can track how many units you have, set whether backorders are allowed, and update your inventory status. If you're worried about overselling, this keeps your stock levels in check automatically. The Shipping tab is up next. Add the dimensions, weight, and even assign a shipping class if you want to offer different shipping options. The Link Products tab lets you suggest related items to your customers. Think of this as your friendly in-store associate saying, "Hey, did you also want a cleaning brush with that water bottle?" It's a great way to boost your average order value. The Attributes tab is your next stop, where you add details like color, size, or any custom feature you want to highlight. And finally, in the Advanced tab, you can include a special purchase note, maybe a thank you message or care instructions, and control customer reviews. Right below the product data box, there's one more field, Product Short Description. This is a snappy summary that appears near your Add to Cart button. Imagine you're distilling the essence of your product into 1 or 2 sentences, make it catchy and clear. Let's make your product look as good as possible. On the right, pick the categories that best fit. You can also create a new category if you're introducing something brand new to your store. Don't forget to add a few product tags. These are keywords customers might use when searching. Then set your main product image. This is what customers see first, so choose your best shot. If you've got more photos, different angles, colors, or lifestyle shots, add them to the product gallery. These images help build trust, so don't skimp here. Before you launch, take a moment to double-check everything: prices, images, descriptions. It's always worth a second look. When you're happy, look to the top right and click the Publish button. And that's it, your product is now live for all your customers to see. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to like the video. If you have any questions or run into issues, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. Make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step WooCommerce tutorials and advice on building your online store. Thanks for watching and happy selling.